My name's Mary, and I'm the CEO and founder of Go Media Marketing and Productions right here in Sausalito, California. I've been getting cases for law firms for many years, and we're thinking about throwing you a webinar to show you what it is that we do behind the scenes. Today, I have a form that you can fill out if you're interested in legal marketing webinars, and all you have to do is put your email address in and check the box that says, yes, I'm interested. In the meantime, by adding your name to our list, we will only be sending you great educational legal marketing materials, and we never use your email address for anything other than that. So if you're ready to grow your law practice, pop your email address in today, and I will send you a video series right away that can help get you going in the right direction. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.